Hi, Jarrod Carman from eView Mornington Peninsula, and welcome to 16 Tolmie Way in beautiful Mount Martha. Set in this gorgeous, very quiet tree-lined street, established street. It's a ripper, it's absolutely sensational. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, lots of living space, and it's on a corner block, so come and check it out. Oh, well, isn't this lovely? You walk in, timber flooring all through this living space. Really good room, actually. So if you want to work from home, you've got a bit of an area there. You can see who's coming down the drive. Great light coming into the room, and it has its own split system as well. In the front here, you have the main bedroom at the front as well, with an ensuite bathroom and heaps of wardrobe space too. Nice big bay window, so there's light coming in from everywhere. Second bedroom, right here off the living as well, with a massive bank of built-in robes. Coming from the lounge at the front through to the kitchen. The kitchen is awesome. You've got a really nice space. You can see out to the garden out through here. You can serve things out through the window. Great appliances, really light and bright kitchen. It's just a great colour palette, really nice. And it opens out into this huge living area. So you've got a dining space, enough room to chill out on the couch, watch the telly. If you're preparing meals in the kitchen, you can be part of the action. And again, has its own split system. Third bedroom set at the back of the home has built-in robes and easy access to the family bathroom. Coming out off the living, you walk out into Party Central. How good is this outdoor entertaining area? It is fantastic. So you can have a little fire pit set up here. You can have a couch set out here, tables, the works. And the amazing thing about this, it's so private. You have no neighbours this side. You've got no neighbours that side. There's a reserve that side. It's fantastic. It's out in the sun, nice paved area so kids can ride their scooters around and bikes if you want to. You put a shade sail back up. It is Party Central. And great thing about out here too, you've got side access, so you can come into your double garage with your double carport as well. So if you've got tools, if you've got caravans, trailers, boats, you name it, it's off the street and it's right here. It's set in a fabulous location. You're minutes walk to Bentons Square, so go and grab a coffee first thing in the morning. You can go shopping and just enjoy it. If you'd like to buy a home that is set out perfectly for you to have all your toys and all the stuff and just walk anywhere you want to walk to, not far from beaches, then this is the property for you. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give myself or my team a call anytime. Don't mess around. This is not going to stick around. So we'll see you soon.